The average health graduate makes less than $40,000 in their first year. And here's what's crazy. It's not because they're bad practitioners. It's because of 3 specific mistakes that nobody warns them about. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what these mistakes are and more importantly, how to fix them. So if you have tried working multiple jobs or struggling to find clients, stick around. This is gonna change everything for you. I see this pattern every single day. Talented, hardworking health professionals graduating with amazing skills, ready to help people. Like, I was one of those people. I graduated and I was like, okay, where's my suitcase full of money and I'm ready to work. But what happens? They end up struggling. They take on multiple jobs, undercharge for their expertise, and slowly and painfully start losing their passion for what they love. So if this sounds familiar, let me just say this. You are not alone. And more importantly, it's not your fault. Your education prepared you to be a great practitioner, but it didn't teach you how to be a successful business owner. And that is what we're gonna fix today. So let's start with the hard truth. Clinical skills only account for about 20% of your success. Think about it. Your ability to help someone heal is essential, but if no one knows who you are or what you can do for them, how will they ever find you? And here's what they don't tell you in school. 1, marketing matters more than another certification. You do not need 5 more degrees to get clients. You need visibility. And number 2, your pricing strategy is probably backwards. Most health professionals charge way too little, thinking that is how they're gonna attract clients. But it obviously ends up being the opposite. Here's the good news. These are fixable issues. But first, let's talk about the mistakes that keeps health professionals stuck. Mistake number 1, the certification trap. And I've definitely been there myself. So raise your hand if you've ever thought, if I just get 1 more certification, clients will start to come to me. And here's the truth. Clients do not care about the alphabet soup that's after your name. They care about the results that you can get them. The trap is this. You spend money on more education thinking it's gonna solve your problem instead of investing in marketing or systems that actually grow your business. It's not about getting ready, it's about getting visible. And mistake number 2 is the undercharging cycle. How many times have you told yourself, I'll charge less to gain the experience and I can just totally raise my prices later? That strategy is only gonna attract clients who are looking for the cheapest deal, not the best results. And once you're stuck in this cycle of low paying, high maintenance clients, it is really hard to break free. You're gonna end up trading all your time for barely enough money. And worse, you are gonna feel burnt out and undervalued. Does that sound familiar for any of you? And that's when we also go to mistake number 3, the visibility fear. And this one's big, you guys. You think, I need to feel ready before I put myself out there. Or you might be like, I just need to get a few more testimonials first. But waiting for that perfect moment is exactly what's keeping you stuck. Hiding behind certifications or avoiding marketing because it feels uncomfortable, that is costing you clients, income, and impact. Let's talk about solutions. Here's exactly how to fix these mistakes and build a thriving practice. Solution number 1, the business foundation. First, set up your business structure properly. This means create a high-ticket offer, a program or package that delivers massive value and helps you to stand out. Then you obviously need a marketing system, a way to consistently attract the right clients. And going on to solution number 2, the pricing strategy. Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a business owner. Calculate your real worth based on the transformation that you provide, not the hours that you put in. So structure your premium packages that actually deliver real results. And most importantly, position yourself as the expert that you are. And experts do not undercharge, they lead. And solution number 3, the visibility plan. It is time to stop hiding. Choose a platform where you think your ideal client is at and they're hanging out, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and commit to showing up. Create content that speaks to your audience's pain points, desires, be a bit controversial if obviously it makes sense, and bring out value. And build your authority systematically. It's not about being perfect or being lucky, it's about being consistent and using the right strategies. Now that you have all the framework, here's how to implement it it starting today. Step 1, audit your current situation. Where are you spending your time, energy, and money? Are you stuck in any of these 3 mistakes that I shared with you? Step 2, choose your niche. Who do you want to serve? The more specific you are, the easier it is to attract clients. And step 3, create your signature offer. This is where you're going to position yourself as an expert. It needs to solve a specific problem for a specific type of clients. Step 4, set up your marketing system. Start by creating consistent, value-driven content that helps your audience see why you're the solution that they've been looking for. If you're ready to stop struggling and start building a real practice, I've created a free training called From Graduate to 25K Months. Click the link below to access it now. Also, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video. I'd love to hear what resonated the most with you. And if you are serious about scaling your practice, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I release new videos every week with practical strategies designed specifically for health professionals. And just remember this, you did not spend all those years studying to barely scrape by. You deserve to thrive, not just survive, financially and professionally, while making the impact that you set out to create. See you in the next video.